If you thought lack of sleep is the reason for your dark circles, you could be right. But did you know there are many other causes of this problem? Scientifically called periorbital hyperchromia, dark circles hamper the brightness of your face and form a dark shadow around your eyes. In this video, we have discussed all the possible causes of dark circles. Take a look. 1. Genetics. Genetics is the most common and prevalent cause of dark circles. The dark circles that you inherit are bluish and occur on the delicate skin below your eyes. The blue color is your veins reflecting light. People from the Asian and African regions have genes that cause more melanin pigment around the eyes, resulting in specifically bluer circles. 2. Aging. As you get older, your skin becomes thinner. The skin below your eyes is already thin, and with age, it thins further, and the blood vessels on the skin below your eyes start showing. This leads to dark circles. Also, with age, one develops baggy eyes that cast a shadow on the skin below the eyes, leading to this issue. 3. Unhealthy habits. Consuming alcohol causes the blood vessels to dilate, causing under-eye dark circles and even makes them prominent. The same applies to smoking, which makes your dark circles more prominent as the nicotine disrupts your sleeping patterns and leads to eye bags. 4. Nutritional deficiency. Deficiency in iron and B12 causes dark circles. It leads to inadequate oxygenation of the tissues and manifests itself prominently under the eyes as a bluish tinge. Even vitamin K deficiency causes this problem because a lack of it leads to poor blood circulation in the body. 5. Sleep deprivation. Lack of sleep causes inadequate blood circulation in your face and dilates your blood vessels, leading to dark circles. Also, tiredness and swelling of eyes can cause eye bags that make the circles more prominent. 6. Allergies. Allergies, such as nasal congestion, release histamines in the body, and this leads to dark circles. Also, allergies dilate the blood vessels around your eyes, accentuating these circles. Even rubbing your eyes hard can swell and break the blood vessels in the area, causing this condition. 7. Anemia. Anemia leads to improper blood circulation and causes hemoglobin to break down quickly, leading to dark circles. 8. Stress. Stress doesn't allow you to sleep well and disrupts your hormonal balance. Stress makes your skin go pale, and your eyes sink deep into their sockets. This makes the blood vessels beneath your eyes more prominent, resulting in dark circles. 9. Excessive sun exposure. Sun exposure causes the skin under your eyes to darken easily as it is thin, delicate, and prone to damage. It also increases melanin production in your body, and this can enhance the appearance of dark circles. 10. Dehydration. Dehydration stagnates toxins and fluids in the body. Due to fluid retention, it causes baggy eyes that lead to the appearance of dark circles. Lack of adequate water in your body causes the skin cells to shrink, which is another cause of this problem.